nag-set ng standards, no, when it comes to social work. So, we have a law. So, hindi lang tayo basta-basta nagtuturo or naggumagawa ng counseling, because we also have a law, of course. So, what is the purpose of Republic Act 4373? Of course, we have a lot of purpose. Why is that, establish the 4373? We also have here the first one, to ensure qualified and ethical practice of social work. So, when we say to ensure qualified and ethical practice of social work, of course, hindi lang tayo basta-basta social work. We are registered social worker in the Philippines. Ibig sabihin yan, we are kwalipikado, no, to make a counseling for the people, for our clients, to serve, no, the clients, and of course to protect ourselves from the discriminations, because we also social worker experiencing discriminations, kasi ika nga na social worker daw ang tagabigay, no, ng mga ayuda, or when we say tinapa or whatsoever it is. However, in the Republic Act 4373, we are protected, no? We are just not social worker, we are social worker. Of course, second one is to protect clients and the public. Of course, we social worker, no, we have this code of ethics, which is the confidentiality. When I say confidentiality, of course, to protect our client, no, we have the sensitive, sensitive cases. Of course, they are protected, they are valued, they are being heard by the social work. And the third one is to regulate social work agencies and practitioners. When we say to regulate the social work agencies, now we have a lot of agencies that needs the social workers, such as the DSWD. So to regulate the DSWD program itself, we have to regulate the social work agencies. We are the registered social work that needs them, no? Of course, we also have to set and licensing set the academic and licensing standards. So, the Republic Act 4373, or the social work law, is aimed to set academic and licensing standards. When we say social worker, we're not just a social worker, but we are social worker with higher academic standards, no? And licensing standard. And the question is, why it's important? So when we were asking ourselves why it is important that the 4373, why is it important, the law 4373 or the social work law? Of course, we have professionalizes social work as a career and discipline. When we say professionalizes social work as a career and discipline, we social worker have discipline, no, when it comes to guidance and protect our clients and etc. We also have here to protect clients from unqualified practitioners. When we say unqualified practitioner, it is the people, no, that giving advices, but they are not qualified enough. They don't have this board exam, unlike the social worker, no. Like gumagawa lang sila ng sarilang intervention whatsoever, that pero di naman na napag-aaralan ang case ng isang kliyente. So, of course, we social worker protect our client from unqualified practitioners. We also have here the establishes the code of ethics for the social workers. So it is really important for us, the social worker, to have this code of ethics, no? We are not just, oh, we are social worker, but you don't have, yes, we are social worker with a code of ethics. So to protect our clients, we have this code of ethics, like the confidentiality, the clients, the social worker and the client's professionalism. We have this code of ethics because it is really important for us, no, to protect ourselves also, and then to protect our client. In that way, they are magaan na kanilang loob to open up their problems and whatsoever. We also have here to promote higher standards in education and services. When we say to promote